Hi! In front of me is the DOOGEE S95 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. Firstly, open calendar and tap on the month above. Then you need to pick a date by tapping on the chosen one and add event by clicking on this plus icon at the bottom right corner. Over here, tap on event and adjust it however you wish to. For example, you can add a title, pick starting or ending hour, but you can also turn off this picture by clicking on the switcher next to all day. Then scroll down, click on add location, pick wherever you wish to. For example, I will go with Forex. Tap on add notifications and select notifications by tapping on hours before, days or weeks and selecting done. You can also over here take notes, and when you're ready, save your event by tapping on save at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully created, but you can always edit it by clicking on it, tapping on this little pay icon, making your changes. I will go with getting rid of the notifications and tapping save at the top right corner. If you wish to get rid of your event completely, you can also do that by tapping on it, but this time click on those three dots at the top right corner, select delete and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!